Hello champions, welcome to my channel MaurGrace Delight. I'm super excited to be on this YouTube platform today. It's been ages of me procrastinating on being here. It's been ages of me procrastinating on starting my own YouTube channel. And it's been one challenge or the other. I will not be able to do it. But today, I'm so happy that finally I have stepped over all the challenges. And now I'm here on this YouTube platform. So champs, I am a champion to be here today, and that is why I'm going to be calling us champions. So champs, I'm super excited to be here on this YouTube platform today. And you know what champs, this is my first YouTube video. Woo, 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 woo. Congratulations to me. Kudos to me. I'm super excited, very excited to be here. My name is Grace. And I'm a Nigerian, a wife, a mom of 3, and an entrepreneur. Wow. On this channel, champs, we will be exploring various aspects of life, and that will include family content, lifestyle, DIY projects, hair care, both natural and unnatural hair, and everyday activities. From sharing my morning routines to tackling tough parenting motherhood moments, I will be sharing my life here on this channel as a multifaceted mom. Multifaceted here brings me to sharing my life as a teacher, a mentor, a role model, a caregiver, a manager, a multitasker, and lots more. I will be keeping it real and authentic, and will dive straight into lifestyle, tutorials, and DIY projects. You will also get to see my DIY projects on how to process and prepare some very healthy food that are very healthy for us Africans, Nigerians. I'll be showing us the step-by-step processes on how to get this done very easy at home. Of course, we'll have plenty of fun moments like cooking and lots more. I want this channel to be more than just a platform. I want it to be a community where I'll be sharing my good and my bad days, my success and my failures. Of course, no one prays for bad days or failures, but as humans, we are not perfect. So I'll be sharing my failures, and from these failures, we will also be able to learn and grow and unlearn, okay? I believe that by being transparent and honest on this channel, we will be able to build a supportive and encouraging environment. So champs, I invite you to join me on this journey. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and let's grow together. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and connect with me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to spread love and kindness wherever you go. Bye champs!